Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. In this video I will solve one math circle problem, and it's about straight line equation. So we have a straight line and we know 2 points on the straight line, x and y. So x1, x is and y. So we know x in minus 4 and y is minus 5. And we have x is in and y is 19. So we have 2 points on the straight line, x and y, but these are in terms of n. Now, in general, in the general form of the straight line, the general equation y equals ax plus b. This is the general form. Now, to determine the equation of the straight line, we need to determine a and b by knowing 2 points. So now we have 2 points here, but we have they are in terms of n. So we have to know one more condition so that we can determine n. Now the other condition we have that it says the x-coordinate of the y-intercept, the x-coordinate of the y-intercept, x-coordinate of the y-intercept is n plus 8. So this is the additional condition we know. So the y-intercept, if we have any straight line or any function, not necessarily straight line. So the y-intercept is here. So the x-coordinate of the y-intercept is 0. Okay, this is the condition we know. And the y-coordinate of the x-intercept is 0. So in here, in this problem, we know the x-coordinate of the y-intercept. So n plus 8 equal to 0. So we know this condition. So this means that n from this equation, n equals minus 8. So we got the value of n. Now we want to substitute x and y into the straight line equation, the general form of the straight line equation, ax y equals ax plus b, and obtain 2 equations. Now, from the first point, x is in minus 4, so, and y is minus 5. So minus 5, or let me put y on the other side. So a into n minus 4 multiplied by x plus b equals minus 5. So I substituted the first x and y value. So a into n minus 4 multiplied by x plus b equals minus 5. So this is equation 1. And we have from the second point, we have x is n, so a by n plus b equals 19. This is the second point. So this is equation 2. Now we want to substitute the value of n into equation 1 and equation 2 and get two new equations. So we know that n, we have solved for n is minus 8. So we substitute n minus 8. So equation 1 becomes n is minus 8 minus 4, so minus 12. So minus 12a, minus 12, yeah, minus 12 ax minus 12 a x minus 12 minus 12x Now, equation 1 is a, sorry, there's no x here because x is n minus 4. So a into n minus 4 plus b equals minus 5. And equation 2, a into n plus b equals 19. So we substitute the value of n, which is a minus 8. So equation 1 becomes minus n is minus 8, so minus 12 a plus b equals minus 5. So this is equation 4, 3. And we have here n is minus 8, so minus 8 a plus b equals 19. So this is equation 4. So we want to determine a and b. A and b so that we can find out the equation of the line. Now, if we add or if we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, we can eliminate b. So subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So 12a minus 8a, so that's minus 4a. That's 12a plus 8a, so that's minus 4a. Plus b minus b is 0. And here we have minus 5 minus 19 is minus 24. So a equals minus 24 over minus 4. So a equals 6. So we now know the a, so we can determine b from any of the equations. Now, let's take equation 3 minus 12a, equation 3 minus 12a minus 12a plus b equals minus 5, plus b equals minus 5. So we substitute a equals 6, so minus 12, 5, 6, plus b equals minus 5. So minus 76, 72, 6 by 12 is 72 plus b equals minus 5. So minus, so now b equals 72 plus 5, minus 5. 72 minus 5. So b equals 72 minus 5, which is 67. So now the equation of the line is y equals ax plus b. A was 6x plus 67. So this is the equation of the straight line. Now the question actually asks about, this is the slope. This is the slope of the line. And this is the y-intercept. So this is the solution to this problem. Actually, this is a longer question. It's going to take you some time in the exam. So if you have such a question, you should leave it to the end of the exam. That's all about this video. If you have any question about this problem, please leave me a comment. If you have any question you want me to solve, also please send me a comment and I will include it in the next videos. Thank you for following my channel and I look forward to seeing you in the next videos.